Hey guys, today I'm making eggless tiramisu. Start by adding your coffee granules and boiling water into a bowl. Mix it well, then set it aside and allow it to cool slightly. In a separate bowl, add in your cream cheese and beat till smooth. Add in the icing sugar and vanilla and mix well. Then add in all of the fresh cream. Start by mixing on low, then increase the speed and continue to mix till the mixture thickens. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and mix everything together well. Remove the boudoir biscuit or ladyfingers from its packaging and cut it down into smaller pieces depending on the size of your serving dish. Dip each biscuit into the coffee mixture for about 2 seconds and place it into the bottom of your dish. Then top with a layer of the cream cheese mixture, then another layer of biscuit, and end with a layer of the cream cheese mixture. You can do as many layers as you need depending on the height of your dish. Dust the tops with as much or as little cocoa powder as you'd like. Then refrigerate for an hour to overnight. And they're ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!